Hello, in this video we'll look on just the navigation inside the view. So it's a couple few tips and questions come up on different forums or YouTube's other ones where people ask, how do I move and navigate inside the view? So what we're going to do, it's very fast and simple way. It is a little bit different from other applications. So example, if you need to move around in an area, so you actually need to right click with your mouse anywhere as you click, you hold down and then you can pan around. Because in many applications, when you hold Alt key and left click, wherever in the view, it will be a right click and you can pan around. If you're going in a terrain editor, example, we go to edit this object. Oops, actually not materials, edit object. And inside here, you actually need to hold down Alt or Option key and left click and hold with your mouse. This will allow you to rotate your terrain. Middle button, if you again hold down Alt or Option key, you need to hold that key down and click on a middle button and you can pan around. Using scroll wheel, if you have it one, it will zoom. As well, if you hold down Alt key and right click, it will allow you to zoom in and out. So it is again a little bit different from other applications. And some of the hotkey you can set by going to File, Options, and you need going to Operations tab, and you can see we have some keyboard shortcuts. Not all available. Again, for some functionality you won't find there, you will still need access otherwise. However, by using mouse and the Option or Alt key, again Alt on a Windows, Option will be on a Mac, you can perform those operations. And this is sometimes most confusing even for me when I work. For example, from different applications, you need to hold on Alt key and then left click, but otherwise in a view, you just right click and you can move around, panning in your views again. And if you're in an edit object, remember right here, you need to use Alt or Option key. And if you have a 3-button mouse, then it's very helpful because you can do all these additional options. Thank you for watching very fast these kind of short tutorials, tips how to navigate and manage inside the view.